My name is Bob Andrews. I'm a professor in civil engineering within the environmental group, and also I'm one of 3 professors in the drinking water research group. I always was interested in fish and aquatic systems, and I thought we really need a way to preserve these systems. And at the same time, everyone in, for example, a city of Toronto or Canada needs good drinking water. So if we could look at the best ways to manage our lakes and rivers, and at the same time find the best ways to treat the water so that we can provide a healthy source of tap water to millions and millions of consumers, then I thought that was really a good role in life to play. The thing that we really pride ourselves on is giving students the opportunity to work with industry, so they can see how their research will be used ultimately and as well gaining great experience during their grad studies with our group. We're a very friendly department. We're a very cohesive department. We've got a lot of diversity in terms of the different areas that we examine. Graduate students with our group come from all over the world, literally. What we do is actually focus on designing the treatment processes that allow us to take water from Lake Ontario to treat it to an appropriate degree such that no one will get ill from drinking it. A large portion of our funding comes directly from the people that produce drinking water, for example, from the City of Toronto, from the region of Peel, the region of Durham. A lot of the things that we do in this research group is then directly translated to the operation of these treatment facilities. For example, the City of Toronto may come to us and say, oh, would like to try and get better water treatment or water treatment more economically or more reliably. We turn that into projects which then graduate students and undergraduate students in our group work on. Almost every one of our 26 or 28 graduate students works directly with one of our industry partners, so they can see how their research is ultimately going to be used by humanity. We actually collect water samples from across Ontario, across Canada, the US, and as far away as Singapore, to be shipped to our lab that we then do analysis on. In this piece of equipment, we actually measure very, very, very low concentrations of pharmaceuticals that are present in Lake Ontario. And these would be things that are commonly known to everyone, like caffeine or acetaminophen. By knowing if these compounds are present, then we can actually design treatment technologies to help remove them if need be. Beside me is just another example of some of the great equipment that we have to do drinking water quality analysis, to look for low levels of trace organic and also inorganic compounds that are present in the water. Equipment of this type can be a bit intimidating to new graduate students, so we have a staff of about 8 employees that work full-time with our research group to support the grad student experience here and to make sure that they're able to get started quickly. A lot of our grad students get an opportunity to travel throughout the province and see different facilities from a hands-on perspective, which we think is incredibly valuable to their life experience and future employability. As well, many of our grad students present at both national and international conferences. So I think we have, as a group, a lot of great opportunities for students coming to civil engineering at the University of Toronto.